Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Tiffin bag. It's super handy, reusable, and perfect for carrying your lunch to work or school. Let's get started. First, we need to gather our materials. For this bag, you'll need some sturdy outer fabric. Something like cotton or canvas is perfect. I've chosen 21-inch width and 11-inch height cute patterned fabric here. Now, we take 18-inch length and 2.5-inch width pair of fabric. For bag strap, after that, we are going to stitch around to give it strap shape. After strap ready, now we attach strap-on bag 3-inch down from the top at both sides of bag. We have just attached the straps on both sides. Now we are preparing the top zipper part of the Tiffin bag, which is 16 inches long and 6 inches wide. After measuring, we fold the wide part in half and cut it into 2 pieces from the middle. Now we are going to attach zipper on cutted piece. After sewing the zipper to the fabric, we are now going to make the side piece, which is 11 inches long and 6 inches wide. After measurement, we will cut in half from length into 2 pieces.